Hey guys, installing these Hellfire wheels, and just wanted to explain quickly. I mean, the instructions show pretty clearly, but just in case, there's a spacer. The wheel's gonna go first. First of all, the axle is gonna be facing this way, towards that skid, not this way. That would be wrong. Okay, so it's that way. And secondly, there's gonna be washer, and that's only for the 8 to 9 inch wheel conversion for Polaris. The rest of the wheels don't take that washer. But what you do, you put the wheel on first, then the spacer goes on next. So wheel goes up tight up to there, and then the spacer goes on, then you tighten everything down with blue Loctite that's provided. So let's see how that's done. So it's real nice and clean. If you look, everything slides nice. This is that spacer. I mean, everything's just precision, which is what you would expect. Machined to perfection. But this spacer, just remember, it's not, if you don't do it right, like it's not gonna work. You're not gonna do it this way. That's wrong. That's right. And then this will go on next. Yes, but it's gonna be going in like, no, it's gonna be, I gotta think about it myself. It's gonna be like that. Yep. Just like that. All right, let's put it in. So I've torqued these down. I didn't torque them all the way though. I just snugged them up pretty good because you want some movement here to line up that rail. So the rail slot is going to be basically here and there, and your adjuster is going to go in that groove somewhere. So okay, here comes the fun part, is getting it into the track now between the rails. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Again, you got to get it, make sure you're putting it in the right way. Got to make sure you got the grooves. Make sure that it fits properly in the cogs, which it's a perfect fit. At this point, I'm just going to tighten this track down, you know, to spec, and then yeah, this is a little bit of finessing to get it in there, but not that bad. I found that if I took this and I spread the old legs here, right here, these rails, just spread and push it in. You might chip the paint up a little bit, but whatever, it goes in pretty good. And man, these wheels look sexy. Let's take a little peek. They look better in person, to be honest, but through the camera it's kind of hard to tell. But I'll tighten her down and we'll take one last look, and yeah, that'll be it. All right, everything's tightened up. That's it, guys. There she looks. Let's take a look at those wheels. Wheels on anything, cars, snowmobiles, you name it, it always looks pretty good. And no affiliation, but if you guys are interested, there's their card. Ice Age. That's it, guys. As always, thanks for watching.